15.
Use a slotted clamp, you know.
Yeah, it's on it. It should be on the side. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's good. Right here, the center of it. Putting one about right here, about right there now. Alright, so what I would do is before you start, I'll go on and these in the center, these here, I'll go on and really do it. I'll clean them up a little bit, knock it down, maybe you put good ones in these, and then I'll come down here. Knock some of these down, that way they can go forward, they won't be that big, and then that way, all we're gonna do is push this. So you can hit, you can like do a pistol.
Just each tack, man.
Yeah, they go and then just jump, yeah. They just jump around it how you want to. That's what I would do. They just spin it around, and we're gonna put some, we're gonna clamp it down. I like to clamp it down when I'm doing that part. I try to clamp it down at least 6 parts, 4 or 6 parts. That way it's good and flat, and then I just jump around once.
I can put heat easier.
Yeah. So that's why I said before we change the heat out, before you cut it down, you can go on and knock those out. We're building a custom dining table. Check out the website, carbondesigns.com. That's carbondesigns.com. The David Dining Table. Hold on.